Hi everyone, how are you and welcome back to this channel. In this video I want to show you how to make a beautiful water bottle holder. But in this tutorial I will firstly show you how to create this beautiful flat circle that become the best part of the water bottle. Okay, before I start I want to show you the material I use. In this video I will use 1mm threads from polyester and a crochet hook and a 2.20mm hook from tulip. Okay, to start I will make a magic circle. After making this magic circle I will make 2 chains. I have made the first one. This one is the second chain. These 2 chains are considered as the first double crochet. Then 11 regular double crochet in this magic circle. It almost complete. Okay, I've made 11 regular double crochet. I will count it again. The total amount of this double crochet are 12, including the first 2 chains I made at the beginning of this circle. I will fasten the yarn, then I will make a slip stitch on the very first regular double crochet. This is how to end this circle. Actually, this is how to end each of the circle, each of the round, sorry. Slip stitch. Okay, 12 double crochets in this first round. These 12 double crochets consists of 2 chains and 11 regular double crochet. So I move to the second round. Start with 2 chains, which are considered as the last double crochet. Okay, for this round I will make double crochet increase. This means that 2 double crochets in a single stitch. I will make 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. 2 double crochet like this. You need to do like this to increase the amount of double crochet. You can also say this as 12 times 2. Okay, the amount of double crochet in this second rounds are 24. 1 stitch is filled with 2 double crochet. This is the last one. And this is the second last double crochet. This regular double crochet is matched on the stitch under the first 2 chains, which the first 2 chains are made at the beginning of this second round. Okay, then to end this round, just like the first round, make a slip stitch above the very first double crochet or above the regular double crochet. Okay, like this. The second round of flat round circle complete. Move to the third round. Always start with 2 chains. This is my style. You can start with 3 chains, but I love making 2 chains. Then 1 double crochet followed by double crochet increase. I start with 1 double crochet on the very first stitch followed by 2 double crochets on the second stitch. Repeat this action. 1 double crochet followed by double crochet increase, or 1 double crochet followed by 2 double crochet. To make it easy, you just need to remember that for the third round you can say 12 times 3, because the amount of the whole double crochet in this third round are 12 times 3, which is mean how much? 36? Yes. Okay, repeat this action until the end. This is I'm reaching the end of this third round. double crochet followed by double crochet increase, 1 double crochet followed by 2 double crochet. This one is the last. Make 1 double crochet in this last stitch, then another double crochet on the stitch under the 2 chains which are met at the beginning of this third round. To end this third round, I will make a slip stitch above the very first double crochet, just like this. Wrap the yarn. Then I will start the fourth round. Start with 2 chains as always, then 2 double crochet followed by double crochet increase. This means that we'll make 1 double crochet in one stitch or in the first stitch, another double crochet in the second stitch, and 2 double crochets in the third stitch. It's like this. 2 double crochets followed by double crochet increase. Repeat this pattern. 1 double crochet in the next one stitch, 1 double crochet in another stitch, and 2 double crochet in the third stitch. Okay, 2 double crochets followed by double crochet increase. Repeat this action until the end of this round. This is the end of this round. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet followed by 2 double crochet. Where are the 2 double crochets? Here you go. This is the first one, and the 2 chains are considered the last double crochet. So the pattern is same, 2 double crochet followed by double crochet increase. Okay, to end this round, make a slip stitch above the first regular double crochet. Move to the 5th round. Okay, the 5th round now, I will start with 2 chains. This 5th round start with 3 double crochets followed by double crochet increase. 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet in one stitch. This is the first double crochet, the second double crochet, the third double crochet. Always remember that the first 2 chains are considered the last double crochet. On this stitch, double crochet increase, 2 double crochets in a single stitch. Repeat the pattern. 3 double crochet followed by a double crochet increase, 1 double crochet in 3 separate stitch, followed by double crochet increase. Okay, repeat this action to complete this round, this 5th round, or round 5, whatever we might call it. Complete this pattern by repeating the action I show you to end this round. Okay, sorry, not yet the end. This is about the last 2 set of pattern. 3 double crochets, 1 double crochet in 3 separate stitch, and a double crochet increase in the next one stitch, 2 double crochet in a same stitch. Okay, this is the last set of the pattern. 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. This last one is a double crochet increase. Have made 2 chains at the beginning of these rounds, which are considered the last double crochet. Okay, this is a regular double crochet, 2 double crochets with 2 chains. Okay, I will close this round by making a slip stitch. Well everyone, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this pattern. See you again on the next video. Enjoy your day, have a good day, and happy crochet!